Hello students, today we will start the topic HTML, which is Hypertext Markup Language. First of all, let's understand the meaning of markup. While creating a document in a word processor, you can add styles to the text to explain the document structure. For example, you distinguish the heading from the normal text by making its size bigger or bold. You can insert tables in your document, arrange the data as per your requirements, or your important points can be highlighted by bullets and numbering, and so on. The purpose of the markup is to provide a structure that make a document easier to understand. So HTML to design the website or web pages, and HTML using the different types of list and bullet and numbering. What is website? A website is a collection of individual but relative or related web pages that are hosted by a web browser and web server. Next, list elements. Lists are the preferred way to display items one after the other. Lists are easy to create with the tags to start and end the list itself and a tag to start and end each item in a list. And list is a different elements, that is the order list and unordered list. So we have the list items. First one is unordered list element. This element enable list of different topics in the bullet form, and this is the syntax of the unordered list. UL unordered list and LI for list, and this is the pair tag. So we when open the unordered list, and we will close the unordered list also. After that, this is the main topic or main attribute of the different unordered list. Type attribute enable changing the type of bullets, circles, squares or dies. Next is order list. Order element is represent the your topics in order wise, and this is the syntax of the order list element. We can start the order list tag and then list out the different topics, and after that end of the order list. Next one is attribute of order list. Type and start used to represent the number as Arabic number or Roman number. These are the types of order list, and start with the which series of the number and letters we will start the list. After that, definition list element. Definition list enable the inclusion of the definition list in the web pages. We can specify the terms of the definition list, and after that the list of the different topics. In this element, we will start the DL command, definition list, and then DT, which is considered as the definition term, and next one is DD, definition data, and last closing the DL command. In definition list, this type of list enable you to define a term and its definition, much like a dictionary. Typically, an entry in the list consists of a term and definition of the term. The DL element represents a description list which consists of 0 or more terms description. The definition list is a special list which provide terms followed by a short text definition or description for them, and this list is the ideal way to present a glossary and list of terms and other name and value list. This is the example of the attributes. Order list contain the type and start attribute, and unordered list contain type only. Image is a tag which considers the image as a document image, and we can add the image in our web page also. And these are the attributes: src, align, alt, border, height and width. So this is the definition list, order list and unordered list. These three lists are used to develop a very good and attractive web page to list out the different topics and our different images and our different HTML web pages in the different list as according to our topics. List can work as a summary, menu, or outline of the content of the document. So you may need a list for a very large number of reasons. You might want to add a list of your hobbies to your web page, or listing your 5 favorite fruits on your home page, or might want to display sequenced step to perform any task. So you can add the list of these topics. You can define as a order wise or unorder wise. If you want to explain these topics as a list to define different image or any kind of hobbies, so you can add the definition list and define the different list in your web page. So